Welcome! In front of me I have a GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to open the controls menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Now scroll through the menu and check if you have the airplane mode icon on it, or in it rather. As you can see, I don't have one, and by default it won't be here. So if you don't have the icon, you need to press and hold the menu button, and once this menu opens, select the icon at controls. Here scroll down through the list of controls, find the airplane mode, and then select it and tap on the plus icon or press the start button to add it. Then press the back button, then press the back button again, and now on the controls menu or in the controls menu, you should see that the airplane mode icon appeared. Once it does, select it, and now you can enable the airplane mode by tapping on this icon or by pressing the start button. Like this. And as you can see now, airplane mode is enabled because the status changed to on, and the icon changed the color. And of course, once you enable the mode, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable it, press and hold the light button to open the controls menu, select the airplane mode icon, tap on it or press the start button to turn it off. Basically, to change the status to off, and the icon will go back to the gray color. And of course, then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.